Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because I'm actually out on my best friend's bachelorette trip and I'm about to do a quick wig installation. So I already got my face beat, about to get dressed, and I'm super excited because I wanted to show you guys. We have to be out of this house by 10:50. It is currently, hold on you guys, let me show y'all. It is currently 10:37. So we're gonna see if this is the real deal. So I'm working with a company by the name of ILIKE Hair. And we're gonna actually see in real time just how quickly I'm able to install my wig and get ready for the day so that you guys can go ahead and check them out. So I'm gonna go over all the features and everything that comes with this wig. Let's go ahead and get into it. So upon opening up this box, I have, of course, my beautiful, hold on, let me show you guys. Of course, I have my beautiful wig. I'm gonna go ahead and take out and lay to the side. I have a wig cap. I have the edge band. I have some tape that is perfect if I want to like tape the wig down instead of gluing. I'm just kind of like against the glue thing at this point, you guys, because I need my edges. So that's a perfect option. And then here's just some extra pieces that you can find inside of your box. Now, one of the biggest benefits of this wig, let's go ahead and get into the wig and the construction of the wig and everything. Yo, your girl about to be out here looking fine as ever. Straight out of the box, the wig looks absolutely amazing. So I'm gonna just show you guys how it blends. Do y'all see that? Of course you don't. You don't, because it blends in perfectly with my skin. Look at the scalp. Look at the construction of this wig. Look at all of these different things. The best part about it is it has an adjustable Velcro cap built into the wig itself so that you can adjust it to your perfect size. Now, they did actually send me an additional Velcro cap so that you guys can see exactly how this works in real time where the hair is not distracting. As you can see, they have different options for you to adjust the wig based off your size. Now, I have a very small head, so I typically have to do a lot more adjusting, and it stays down very easy, so I don't have to worry about connecting the comb inside of the wig and it's like hurting or extra pressure, because I have found that to be a big problem in the past for me. I just don't have to worry about any of those other features that sometimes, like when you have to pull it and you can't really see it and then it's kind of like getting real jumbled up in the back of it. This is literally perfect because I can literally just adjust this and take it out very, very easily. So I got my braids on and we're gonna go ahead and just see first impression what this wig is talking about. We're gonna see what it's talking about. Now, it has the adjustment back there. I'm gonna leave it as is and I'm gonna put on the wig. I got my nice little, my little throwback braids. And just as a friendly reminder, ILIKE Hair is made with 100% virgin hair. This is what the wig is giving. Oh my gosh. Let me get my comb, y'all. Do y'all see this? This is straight ready for me to go out the house. Let me show y'all a little something. So I'm gonna turn around. Hold on, can y'all see? So y'all can see the adjustable portion. I actually have my braid coming down. I hope y'all can see. And I'm just going to adjust. Wow. And now it's really snug and tight, as y'all can see. Hold on, let me get the excess hair. Boom, boom, boom. Hold on, y'all. Just like that. Just like that, y'all. Just like that. Do y'all see? Let me, hold on, get this little nick out. Do y'all see? Do y'all see this? Just like that. So throughout the day, if I want to just adjust the wig, make it looser for whatever reason, tighten it up even further, I literally have the ability to do so. And this is a glueless wig. As y'all can see, I didn't put no glue on. It blends in perfectly with my scalp and I just absolutely love it. Now I'm gonna also do a nice little part over here so y'all can see if I was to judge it up, do a different little, this will be really pretty to change up the style eventually, but I really like the middle part. Now, sometimes with my wigs, I will adjust it like that just to see, you guys can see the asymmetrical length of the wig for me to, you know, change up the style even while I'm on this vacation, just to kind of see what I like. And you can see the asymmetrical fit of it. I personally am feeling this right here, and I think this is gonna look perfect for my hair, for my outfit that I have picked out. And baby, we're gonna clock it, baby, because this wig is tea. This wig is tea. We're gonna clock it. We're gonna clock it. I don't really have anything else to say. Like, it's perfect. The extra adjustability, like I said, with the Velcro cap allows me now, for me, I kind of adjusted it all the way to where it can't adjust anymore because of how small it is. And I typically wear a size small with all of my wigs because that's just how I am. But if you were able to sell it to someone, or you had a style that had a little bit more bulkiness to it because you don't want to actually braid your hair all the way down, so you just need a little bit more space, this wig is actually perfect because it'll allow you. So it actually has this curved feature that goes over your ear, so you don't have to worry about the uncomfortability, or that's not even a word, the discomfort of having the wig sit on your ear, sitting close to your head, or anything like that. Absolutely love it. It's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it literally comes out of the box ready to go. So if you guys would like to check out this wig, I will have it linked in the description box, as well as the coupon codes. And if y'all love this wig, and you know you love this wig, then go ahead and leave your girl a comment and let me know below. And I'm about to rock this, hold on, and I'm about to rock this hairstyle for the rest of my trip. I don't even think I'm gonna put the other wig back on, y'all, because I was gonna try to switch it out, but this is just, it's so freaking pretty. And I've been looking for a good bob wig for a minute. So this is definitely, and then eventually I could like cut it, and I think that would look really pretty. Like cutting it, after I get a nice little use out of this length, I think I'm gonna cut it, or I'm gonna have a professional cut it like right here. I think that's gonna be it, y'all. I think that's gonna be it. But yes, you guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this wig.